Look up. For 4.5 billion years, it has been our silent guardian, a 73 quintillion-ton rock, drifting perfectly in the void. It dictates our tides, stabilizes our axis, and lights our nights. But what if the leash snapped? What if, for reasons physics can barely explain, the moon suddenly stopped its orbit? The silence of space would end. The countdown would begin. You wouldn't just see the difference, you would feel it. If the moon began a slow death spiral toward Earth, we wouldn't die instantly. Oh no, it would be a slow, 7-day accumulation of horrors. This is not science fiction. This is the timeline of the end of the world. Day 1. The moon is now 20% closer. To the naked eye, it looks like a supermoon on steroids. But the real threat isn't the view, it's the water. The moon acts like a magnet for our oceans. As it gets closer, that magnetic pull intensifies. High tide isn't just a few feet anymore. It's a global wall of water. Coastal cities, New York, Mumbai, Tokyo, are the first to fall. We aren't talking about flooding. We are talking about the ocean literally being pulled up onto the land. By day 2, the moon is massive in the sky, visible even during the day. The gravitational pull is now messing with your inner ear. People lose their balance, birds lose their navigation, the world begins to tilt. Day 3. The moon is now looming over us, blocking out the sun for hours at a time. It's so close that you can see the craters with your naked eye, but the Earth's crust can't handle the strain. The gravitational tug-of-war is stretching our planet like a rubber band. Dormant volcanoes roar to life. Yellowstone erupts. Earthquakes, magnitude 9 and above, shatter every continent simultaneously. Satellites in orbit are the first casualties. They are dragged out of position, crashing into each other, creating a cloud of space debris that wipes out our GPS and internet. We are now blind, and the moon just keeps getting bigger. Day 5. We reach the point of no return. But here is the twist physics has waiting for us. Before the moon can physically slam into the Earth, it hits an invisible barrier, the Roche Limit. About 11,000 miles from Earth, our planet's gravity becomes stronger than the gravity holding the moon together. The moon doesn't just crash, it shatters. Look up. The sphere is cracking. Massive chunks, the size of cities, are ripping away from the surface. The moon is being torn apart from the inside out. It's a spectacular, horrifying display of celestial violence. But this isn't good news, because now, instead of one bullet, we are facing a shotgun blast. Day 6. The sky is falling. Those billions of moon rocks, they are entering our atmosphere at 30,000 miles per hour. The friction turns the sky into a broiler. The air temperature spikes to hundreds of degrees within minutes. The oceans begin to boil. If you aren't in a deep underground bunker by now, you are gone. The debris bombardment is relentless. It's not just meteors, it's a saturation bombing of the entire planet's surface. The beautiful blue marble is turning into a glowing ember. Day 7. Silence returns. Earth is unrecognizable. The surface is molten. Sterilization is complete. Humanity, if any survived deep underground, will not see the sun for 1,000 years. But from deep space, Earth looks different. We are arguably more beautiful. The remaining debris of our moon has settled into a perfect, shimmering ring around the equator. We are no longer the blue planet. We are a smaller, hotter version of Saturn. A graveyard with a beautiful ring, waiting for life to try again. The simulation is over, for now, but there are infinite ways for our reality to end. Click subscribe to survive the next one.